So what you're seeing here is the ideal footwear to use when you go out mudding. Hello everyone and welcome to Prodigal Overland. My name's Brad, and if you're new to this channel, let me be the first to welcome you. If you've been following us for a while, then you know that we are currently up in northern Michigan. A couple of weeks ago, we had the Jeep out into the Manistee National Forest and ran into a little bit of mud, okay? We proceeded to get ourselves pretty well stuck and needed my buddy Jeff to come help us out. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put a link up here for you so that you can see that. Since we plan on being in northern Michigan, heading out into the National Forest, and because there's lots of mud and muck, we decided that we needed to get a winch for our Jeep. So the last video I did was an install video on Chief Products Hidden Winch Mount. Again, if you've not seen that, I can put a link up for you as well. But today is all about trying to test this winch out. So last night, and actually all day yesterday, we had quite a bit of rain, so there should be plenty of mud out there today. So my buddy Jeff and I are gonna head out into the National Forest to see what we can find. He's rocking a 2000 Toyota 4Runner, which he picked up for $100 at an estate sale. He fixed the fuel pump, I don't know what else he did, fixed a few things on it, recently put new tires on it, and so he's all in for about $800 on this vehicle. So we're gonna take that one out, take my Jeep out, and see what kind of trouble we can get into today. So we're gonna go gather the kids right now. We wanna invite you to stick around, and we hope you enjoy the ride.
Yeah, the sensor on them. Look at this mess he's got.
So we've entered what I must be called pinstripe heaven. Jeff is taking us through what isn't really a trail, it seems like, and I got branches hitting me left and right. They're up ahead and trying to turn around, knocking over small branches and whatnot. So I'm gonna try to find a place to turn around because I think there's probably a big log up ahead.
That's not that deep.
Yeah, there's quicksand over here, bro. Why don't you go grab a stick?
All right, so Jeff was out here the other day scoping things out. He's ventured out into this pond behind me. We don't know how deep it is. The soil here is mud and sand. We were poking sticks down in there and it goes down a little bit. So we're really not sure how deep this is, but being the gentleman I am, I'm gonna let Jeff go first, and his 4Runner, he assures me that this will not be an issue, that this 4Runner can do anything it wants to, which may be true, I don't know. It's not been tested, it's got new tires, so it's good there. We got the drone up in the air, so let me get in position and we'll give it a go. think they knew that there was a deep side and a shallow side to this. So they went through the shallower side, got through no problems. I encouraged them to go backwards through the deep side, and it seems like maybe they got stuck.
You in the water yet?
No, man, are you guys okay? Hey, I'm gonna go back and get a snack. You guys want anything? You're good? All right, man. I guess I gotta go down in that muck, huh?
Yeah.
It's only fair.
All you gotta do is hook it, right?
Yep, all I gotta do is hook it. All right. All right, so got the cart pulled up. I gotta walk out through this muck to get it. Seems only fair. Got my waterproof shoes on, so we're gonna be all set that way. I'm coming, stuck up!
You guys stuck?
Stop, Sam. Dad, you're supposed to... No, no.
Oh, yeah.
Sam,
Hey,
stop.
there's no water snakes out there, is there?
Hey, Dad, do you want me to pull the winch in?
No, man.
Come on, get in your seat, Dad.
You got it in neutral.
Ah! Caleb, you can't choke me!
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You don't grab people
All
by
you're saying is going on.
All right, guys, you want to stay back in case the rope lets go?
Okay.
With that hook. I want you to hold it. Hard part.
What are you doing?
I gotta keep safety first, man.
What?
There, you guys can drive now.
All right, so Jeff had no problem getting through the first time. Got stuck kind of intentionally when we had him back up and go into the deep side. So obviously it's my turn next. So let's give it a go.
So now Brad's going to attempt the same hole I did with my 4Runner. Just so everybody knows, he has 13 inches of clearance. I only had 12.
Yep, true.
He also is refusing
Go backwards.
to go backwards on the backwards challenge. I just want everyone to know, all you Jeep buffs, he is not doing you justice right now against the Toyota 4Runner. He is refusing to do the backwards challenge.
All right, so the Jeep made it through okay. No issues getting through. Jeff wanted me to back up. Last time I listened to Jeff, it didn't work out so well for me. Jeff's rolling around in his trail truck. I'm rolling around in my daily driver. So I'm gonna give him the pass. If he wants the gloating, he can have the gloating. Good job, Jeff. Way to do it. But going backwards through the deep end is something I'm not up for right now. We're gonna see if we can't go through the deeper side forwards. So we're both gonna try that and see how it goes. Okay everyone, so we made it back in one piece, and as you can see in those videos, I was riding a little bit higher through the mud, so I didn't have quite the struggle coming back through as Jeff did and his 4Runner, but they made it just fine too, so that's great. Also, the winch, got my first pull on the winch and everything there went well. Big thanks to Jeff for letting me bury his 4Runner in the mud. They had a little water leaking in, but all in all, things with that recovery went well. My hardest time, honestly, was trying to keep Sammy back away, as little minds like to get close and maybe don't realize potential danger. So anyway, we'll review the winch safety with him. But we're back, we made it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet checked out our other stuff, go ahead and check that out. If you like our content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.